In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Jira reports. Whether you're managing a project or simply want to keep track of tasks and progress, Jira reports are essential tools that can help. Let's delve into the process, ensuring you're equipped to generate insightful reports efficiently. First, you'll want to head over to Jira by logging into your account. Once you're on the home page, look towards the left side of your screen where you will find two key options: Spaces or Project. These are your gateways to the different project setups that you or your team have been working on. With a click on one of these options, you'll access the project dashboard where the main action happens. Here, what you'll want to do is select the particular project you're interested in. You'll do this by finding the specific project space you intend to analyze. By clicking on it, you're essentially opening the door to all the wonderful features Jira has to offer for that particular project. With the project freshly opened, look again to the left side of your screen and find the Reports tab. Clicking on this will unfold a plethora of report types that Jira offers, each serving different purposes but all designed to boost your productivity and insights. Among these options, you can choose between a burn-up report, a sprint burn-down chart, or a velocity report. Each of these reports serves a distinct purpose. For instance, burn-up reports are excellent for visualizing how much work has been completed and what remains, helping you keep track of progress against the total work scope. A sprint burn-down chart, on the other hand, can be immensely helpful for agile teams, showing how much work remains across a sprint. And velocity reports offer insights into the amount of work completed in previous sprints, which aids in future sprint planning. Focus on creating a burn-up report by clicking on its tab. Once you've selected it, you'll notice that the interface allows you to tailor the report according to your specific needs. You can choose different sprints or make adjustments to the estimation field. This customization provides a more focused look into different aspects of your project, ensuring you derive the most value from these reports. Lastly, once your report is ready, sharing your insights is just a click away. From the right side of your screen, you'll see a share icon. Clicking on this will provide options to distribute the report easily across your team. Sharing keeps everyone on the same page, fostering collaboration and informed decision making. And that's it. With these steps, you should be well on your way to creating comprehensive and insightful Jira reports. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating the world of Jira reporting.